He's charged with attempted murder as well as possession of a weapon during the commission of a violent crime. Your Honor, this matter comes before you today based upon a motion filed by the defense for them to raise the issue of a stand your ground defense or immunity to the actual charges pending against Mr. McClinton. Altercation did break out between the defendant, Mr. McClinton, as well as the Gregory brothers. It appears that that actual fight or altercation took place inside the club, and then at some point in time, the defendant, our position is that he, and along with some other individuals in the club, were beating up Mr. Cochise Gregory to the point where he was on the ground and they were stopping him.
Hall side and began swinging that, hitting various individuals. Again, I'm not sure that Mr. McClinton knows precisely who he hit, but there were about a dozen people involved who were there coming toward him and his group. And Mr. McClinton hit a number of them with the pool cue.
Mr. McClinton ran out of the club, and our position is that's whenever he did retrieve a weapon, if he didn't already have one on him. There's been conflicting testimony as to whether or not he already had it on him or if he got it from the car that he ran to, along with Montrell Graham, who was with Mr. McClinton, and at such time, that's when Mr. McClinton did shoot at Cochise Gregory and basically anyone else who was back towards the club. Mr. Gregory did get shot several times, and he did have to be airlifted and almost died.
There were gunshots taking place. As I understand it, there were gunshots from Cochise Gregory and or his folks, and there were gunshots from other individuals, from at least one other individual. In other words, it was a exchange of gunshots, but Mr. McClinton did not have a firearm and was not engaged in that. So I don't think that the state's charge for attempted murder against Mr. McClinton can stand.
And when it said not me, it's not that he's asking for immunity from the shooting that occurred to Cochise Gregory, because this is the attempted murder is not based on the pull sticks and the kicking in the head and all that stuff. That fight had ended at that point. And then what we have is the shooting events that led to Mr. Gregory almost dying. The stand your ground position, was he standing his ground from? He was leaving at that point. And so if he was running away from the situation and shot back, then that would be a stand your ground situation. But that is not what we have here, because he's denying that he ever had a gun.